Hello everyone and welcome to Scholarships Corner. Scholarships Corner is back with a great fully funded international internship opportunity for undergraduate students. The CRG Summer Internship program in Barcelona, Spain. The summer internship program is an excellent opportunity for undergraduate students to gain hands-on experience and explore future avenues in Barcelona without spending any penny. This internship program will help you improve your personality and make you well equipped with the modern requirements necessary to start your professional career. This is your chance to gain practical work experience in the international market. This is the 10th summer internship program offered by the Center of Genomic Regulations. It is the world's best entity established in the 2000. The aim of the institute is to establish a focused interdisciplinary scientific workspace, and it aims to discover and advance such refined knowledge which ultimately provides the world with its competitive integrated curriculum and well-trained staff. Some more details about the summer internship program in Spain. The host country is Spain. The host organization is Center of Genomic Regulations. The degree level for this internship program is undergraduate, and the internship duration is 2 months, 40 hours per week starting from June 2022 and September 2022. Some benefits of the CRG Summer Internship program in Spain. The interns will receive €600 per month. If the interns are not residents of Barcelona, you will be provided with a return public transport ticket either to Europe or overseas that will be up to €800. Some eligibility requirements to apply for this internship program. The applicants must possess an excellent academic record. Undergraduate of life sciences or other related fields can apply for this internship program. Completed 2 full years of 4 semesters of graduation. The applicant must not have applied for this opportunity before. The applicants must have excellent command on English, and an internship agreement should be made through the university. A few selection criteria. Your academic record matters a lot for the selection of this internship program. Your motivation for this internship and authentic reference letters. The documents required for the CRG internship program are academic transcript and reference letters. The deadline to apply for this internship program is 20th March 2022. So to start your application process, click on Apply Now. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Also like our Facebook page and follow us on our Instagram for daily updates on new scholarships and internship opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the summer internship program recruitment page. You must log in or register to view this form. If you're a new user, click on Register. You have to register using your username and you have to add your email address and then accept the privacy policy and add the CAPTCHA and then click on Create New Account. After registering your account, a welcome message with further instructions will be sent to your email address. Kindly refer to your email for further instructions. After clicking on the link provided in the email, you will be redirected to the reset password. You have to select a password and then confirm your password. Your password must be at least 6 characters. You should add lowercase letters, uppercase letters, add numbers and punctuation. Then select plain text email, click on Accept Terms and Conditions of Use and click on Save. After registering your account, you have to fill this 4 steps form. The first step is general data. You have to add in your first name, your last name, select your gender, add your street, your postcode, city, your country, your mobile number, your email address, your date of birth, your place of birth, select your nationality from the drop-down list, disability status. Any answer you give will be kept private and will not harm or exclude your application for the recruitment process in any way. Select yes, no, and I don't wish to answer. Where did you first find out about this vacancy? Select the option from the drop-down list. Where did you first hear about the CRG? Select the option from the drop-down list. And what country are you coming from? Select your country of residence. At what institute university are you coming from? Add in your institute in the field below. The second step in the application form is the education information. Add your highest degree of education. Select from the drop-down list your graduation date, your university or college, major and focus of study. You can add other degrees as well. These are optional. And then click on Next section after adding your education details. The second last step in the application process is the documents to enclose. You have to add in your CV, your motivation letter, your list of publications, reference letter, and other documents. You have to click on Choose File. After choosing your file, you have to click on Upload. And the final step is the referee details. You have to add in details about your first referee, the name of the referee, position, institute, phone number, and the email address, and then details of the second referee, name of the second referee, position, institute and university name, phone number, and email address of the referee. After adding the referee details and attaching the required documents, you have to click on Submit. After clicking on Submit, your application will be submitted, and if you're selected, you will be contacted by the Recruitment Department of CRG Summer Internship Program. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.